Good morning, students. Students, we have started the chapter Structure and Function of the Living Organism Animals. In this, we discuss about the different levels of an organism, that is cell, tissues, organ system. And all of you know that there are different type of systems present in our body. They are digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, excretory system, skeleton system, and reproductive system. Now today I am going to explain the digestive system with different parts of it. All of you know that we take in food in different forms and they need to be converted into soluble particles so they can get easily absorbed in our body, and the process of breaking down or conversion of food into very fine and soluble particle is called digestion. And the human digestive system have many part in it. The first one is the mouth. It is also known as oral cavity. It has teeth, tongue, and salivary glands present in it, and the process of digestion begins in mouth. The first organ which is present in the mouth is the teeth that start growing before we are born, but they begin to appear from the gums at about 6 months of age. There are two sets of teeth in our lifetime. The first teeth consist of 20 teeth, 10 in each of upper and lower jaw. These appear when a child is in the age group of 1 to 2 years. These teeth are called milk teeth. These are temporary teeth. These teeth are replaced by another set of teeth which are 32 in number. They are permanent teeth and remain with us till old age. The teeth has two parts, the crown which is visible part and tooth which is inside the gums, and it is attached to a socket in the jawbone. There are four types of teeth present in our mouth: canine, incisors, premolars, and molars. They have different structure and functions. Next organ which is present in our mouth is the muscular organ, which is known as tongue, and it helps to know the taste in swallowing the food, in mixing the food with the saliva, and in our speech also. There are three pairs of salivary glands present in our mouth. They produce a watery fluid called saliva which helps to moisten or soften the food, and it helps to be swallowed easily. Now the next part of our digestive system is the food pipe. Food pipe, it is also called the esophagus. It is a tube about 30 centimeter in length. It is the connecting tube between the mouth and the stomach. It acts as a passage for the food to slide down from the mouth to a bag-like structure called the stomach. This pipe is a muscular organ, and the contraction of its muscle is responsible for pushing the food down into the stomach. The next part is the stomach. The stomach is a bag-like structure. Here the food is churned and changed into a paste-like substance. In the stomach, the food gets mixed with the gastric juice secreted by the gastric glands of the stomach. Gastric juice helps in digestion of food. The food generally stays in the stomach for about 2 to 3 hours. From here the food goes into the small intestine. Then the liver and pancreas. These are two associated glands which greatly help the process of digestion. The liver is our body's largest gland. It is dark brown in color and weighs about 1.5 kilogram. It secretes a brownish green fluid called the bile juice. The pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice, which contains certain enzymes that help in digestion of the food. Then small intestine. The small intestine is the longest part of the digestive system. It is a highly coiled tube, nearly 3 centimeters in diameter and 7 meter in length. The food gets mixed with the bile juice and the pancreatic juice in the small intestine. Both these juices help in digestion. The small intestine absorbs nutrients from the digested food and takes them to all the cells of the body through the blood capillaries. The food nutrients thus provide energy to all parts of the body. The food that remains undigested and unabsorbed then enters the large intestine. Large intestine. The lower end of small intestine extends into a wide tube like structure called the large intestine. It is usually 1.5 meter long and 7 centimeter in diameter. Unlike the small intestine, the large intestine is wider and shorter. The large intestine helps in absorption of water from the undigested food, which is then pushed out as waste. The last part of digestive system, the anus. The undigested semi-solid waste product is eliminated from the body through an external opening called the anus. So students, these are the different parts of digestive system with their function. Now in next class we will discuss about the respiratory system, the organs and their functions. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.